The Industrialist. The Industrialist is the eighth studio album by American heavy metal band Fear Factory, released on June 5, 2012. Overview. Overview. The Industrialist marks the band's return to the concept album. Burton C. Bell said about the album, "The protagonist, the Industrialist, is the incarnation of all industries in the form of an automaton. The mechanical, technological, and scientific advances through the industrial age led to the creation of the Industrialist. In the story, the automaton becomes sentient as it collects memories with each passing day. According to Cazares, the title was taken from a documentary the band saw about the people who developed the engines for war machines, and God Eater was a name Bell saw on a toy box while traveling. The album was recorded with Bell and Cazares as the only two credited members of the band, while Reese Fulber once again produced and received additional writing credits. No live drummer was used on the album, with the band instead opting for programmed drums with help from John Sankey of Devolved, who was also credited. The band's drummer at the time, Gene Hoglan, wasn't informed of this decision and left the band after learning about the album's completion without him online. Editions. There are 4 different editions available: a regular jewel case with 10 tracks, a digibook available in North America containing 2 bonus tracks, and the album's concept as written by Burton C. Bell included in the booklet. There are 2 editions exclusive in Europe, the first being a regular digipack with 2 bonus tracks, and the second being a limited fan box containing a stand-alone mask containing the digipack and a certificate, limited to 1,000 copies worldwide. The story is omitted from the European releases. However, once all special editions are out of print, the band intends to make the conceptual storybook on the North American special edition release available in PDF format on the band's website. The Japanese edition comes with an acoustic version of Timelessness from Obsolete, dubbed Timelessness Roman II. Reception. The album has received generally positive reviews from music critics and band fans. Gregory Heaney of AllMusic gave the album a mixed response, with a rating of 3 out of 5. Heaney felt that the Industrialist brought absolutely nothing new, stating anyone hoping for more of the same old Fear Factory will find a lot to love about the Industrialist. Those who have been hoping for something different might find that the album isn't quite what they were looking for. Track listing. All lyrics are written by Burton C. Bell. All music is composed by Cazares/Fulber. Personnel. Fear Factory. Burton C. Bell vocals. Co-production composing. Lyric writing, vocal arrangement. Dino Cazares guitars. Bass drum programming. Drum writing, drum arrangement. Co-production. Composing, arrangement, additional personnel. Reese Fulber production, enhanced soundscape programming, keyboard arrangement, additional vocal arrangement, vocal editing arrangement 2 minutes 7 and 10. Logan Mader additional tracking, digital editing, additional vocal arrangement, vocal editing, guitar recording, bass recording, additional vocal recording. Greg Reilly mixing, mastering. Joey Blush additional keyboard, programming, production on Blush Response Difference Engine Remix. Damien the Frog Reynaud additional keyboard programming, assistant engineering, drum editing. Alan Ace Bergman guitar tech. Brian Hara additional guitars. John Sankey drum programming, drum writing, drum arrangement. Anthony Clarkson artwork. Charts. References.